How to change the display screen refresh rate on your Infinix smartphone. Define and change the refresh rate. Use the quick access. Tap on the settings option here. Then go down until you see display right there. A single tap will take you here, and once you're in this area, go down until you see screen refresh rate. For some phones, it may be to the top area or maybe a little bit going down. But once you see it, you'll tap on it and it'll take you here. At default, the phone may be set to the auto refresh rate settings. To save some battery life, keep it on 60, which means everything on your display or all apps will be shown in 60. And if you want something smoother, try 90. And of course, if you have a higher sort of flagship tier Infinix smartphone, you will probably have 120 as well. But you can always change it at any given time. And that's it for this guide here. Like and sub.